Hey, welcome back. Today I have a quick video for you to show you how to enable to see the tabs on your phone screen. This is great for when you want to record your screen and show people what you're doing, where you're tapping. I have the option on all the time and it works fantastic. Let's get into it. Open your phone, go to settings, look for About Phone. Tap that and look for the software version. Tap that. Look for build mode and tap that 7 times to enable developer mode. You will see a little notification saying the developer mode is now enabled or turned on or something like that. Go back into your settings to where you found About Phone, and under that you will now see developer mode. Click it, and somewhere in between there's a lot of options. You just scroll down and look for input and a little option that says show tabs. Once you enable that, you will see every tab that you make. Now for the fun, test it, make a screen recording and tap about on your phone and you will see that it worked. That's it. I hope you found it useful, and let me know in the comments down below. Give me a like, give me a link, give me a share, subscribe.